Friends, when there is an issue with the nerves in our body, such as nerve damage, it can cause numerous problems in the areas supplied by those nerves. These issues can include numbness, tingling sensations, weakness, pain, heat sensations, and in severe cases, the affected area might stop functioning altogether, which we call paralysis. However, did you know that there are certain vitamins that can help repair damaged nerves? In this video, I am going to tell you about 7 such vitamins that strengthen and repair your damaged or weakened nerves. I will also explain how you can include these vitamins in your diet through common foods. Let's start without any delay. The first vitamin is vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is excellent for strengthening your nerves, especially if you have neuropathy. It facilitates the transmission of electrical signals between neurons, which can significantly alleviate conditions like neuropathy or nerve damage. Vitamin B12 is abundantly found in non-vegetarian items like chicken, fish, and meat. Vegetarians can obtain it from milk and eggs. The second vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative damage in your nerves. It also boosts your immune system, reducing infections that can damage your nerves. Vitamin E can be sourced from almonds and peanuts. Soaking 8 to 10 almonds or a handful of peanuts overnight and consuming them in the morning can meet your daily vitamin E requirement. The third is alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. ALA is a naturally occurring compound found in many foods like spinach and broccoli. It reduces oxidative damage and inflammation in the nerves. ALA is found in high quantities in spinach and broccoli, which can be consumed as salads or cooked meals a couple of times a week. Next is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Vitamin B1 is particularly beneficial for people with high blood sugar levels. It nourishes and strengthens the nerves and helps repair damage over time. Vitamin B1 can be found in whole grains. Ensure that the bread you consume is made from whole wheat. Omega-3 fatty acids are also excellent for your nerves. They nourish the nerves, improve their function, and also enhance brain function, as the brain is largely made up of these fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are richly present in fish oil. Vegetarians can get them from flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. Next on the list is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate strengthens the myelin sheath that covers your neurons, ensuring proper nerve function. Magnesium sulfate can be easily included in your diet by using rock salt instead of regular table salt for cooking. Lastly, we have ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an Ayurvedic herb known for its adaptogenic properties. It relaxes the nerves, nourishes them, and enhances their strength, reducing stress and anxiety, and acting as a tonic for the overall nervous system. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others to improve their knowledge.